Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the orientation check filter on Instagram. And then obviously, once you have the filter on Instagram, you can then go ahead and record your video of yourself, save it to your camera roll, and then post it to TikTok or any other social media that you would like to post it on. Anyways, to get this filter, we have to go over to our Instagram application. So I'll go ahead and open mine up. Once you're on Instagram, you want to go over to the search, and you want to search for this account called TBRUUNS. So TBRUUNS. You guys can just pause the video here and just copy what I've typed in. But otherwise, you just want to click on the account, click on filters. Then you want to scroll down and you will see the orientation check filter right to your right side here. You want to click on that. Then obviously you can go ahead and save it, or you can try it here. Totally up to you. Anyways, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get this filter. If I was able to help you guys out, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.